Hi friends, Bank Note Press has given a notification for recruitment of various posts. So before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also share my video with your friends such that it may be helpful for them. So Banknote Press is a part of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, which is a mini Ratna company and is wholly owned by Government of India. So if you see the different types of posts here, the welfare officer, supervisor, junior technician, and mechanical AC, electrical IT, and also secretarial assistant and junior officer. Like that, this kind of posts are there, and these are the vacancies, and these are the pay scales, and these are the upper age limits. Anyway, upper age limit is relaxed by different category candidates as per the government rules, and it is given here. So I will tell to you. And if you see, welfare officer, one post is there, and a supervisor ink factory, one post, supervisor information technology, one post, junior office assistant, 15 posts are there, junior technician ink factory, 60 vacancies are there, and a junior technician printing, 23 vacancies, and junior technician electrical and IT, 15 vacancies, and junior technician mechanical and AC, 15 vacancies, secretarial assistant, 1 vacancy, and junior office assistant, 3 vacancies are there. And if you see the important dates, opening of website link for online registration and payment of fees in online mode is from 12/5/2021 to 11/6/2021. Closing date of receipt of applications is 11/6/2021 up to midnight. Tentative date of stenography and typing skill test at selected centers for the post mentioned at the post code 4, 9 and 10. So there is a different kind of examinations for a different post. There is a typing test is there and also online test. Both are there, and tentatively the dates are July and August 2021. So you have to visit the site regularly to confirm the dates, and here are the qualifications and experiences given like this. So for a welfare officer, essential is possess a degree of university recognized by the state government, and also has obtained a degree or diploma in social science from any institution recognized by the state government, or has adequate knowledge of Hindi also language spoken by the majority or the workers in the factory. Means degree is required, and also the degree and the diploma in social science from any recognized institution from the state government is, and also should have a knowledge of Hindi, and Hindi should be a subject of your curriculum is required here for this welfare officer. And also for supervisor in factory, first class full-time diploma in dyestuff technology or paint technology, surface coating technology, or printing ink technology, or printing technology, and higher qualification, that is BA, BTech, BSc in engineering. The relevant field means these traits. If you have higher qualification, you can apply, or full-time BSc in chemistry. So anything is applicable here. And supervisor information technology, first class full-time diploma in engineering in the IT or computer engineering, or higher qualification, that is BE, BTech, BSc in engineering, in relevant trade means IT or computer science. You should have a degree. And junior office assistant, essentially is graduate with at least 55% of marks and computer knowledge with typing speed on computer in English at the speed of 40 words per minute, or if you see Hindi, 30 words per minute. And a junior technician in factory, full-time ITI certificates in dyestuff technology or paint technology or surface coating technology or printing ink technology or printing technology, along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. Junior technician printing, full-time ITI certificate in printing trade or litho offset machine minder or letterpress machine minder and offset printing, plate making, electroplating, hand composing, plate maker come impositor along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. Junior technician electrical or IT, full-time ITI certificate in electrical or electronics along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT or and junior technician mechanical AC full-time ITI certificate in fitter, machinist, turner, instrument mechanic, mechanic motor vehicle along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. And also for the secretarial assistant, essentially is graduate with at least 55% marks and computer knowledge is required, and stenography in English or Hindi at the rate of 80 words per minute, the typing speed, and also in English and or Hindi 40 words per minute, and also proficiency in secretarial job is desirable. For a junior office assistant, graduate with at least 55% marks and computer knowledge with typing speed on computer in English 40 words per minute or Hindi 30 words per minute as per the requirement. And here some of the points are given. I will provide this notification link in the description. You can read, and here if you see the age limit, upper age is relaxed up to 5 years for SC/ST candidates, maximum of 3 years for candidates belonging to OBC, and up to a maximum of 10 years if candidate is physically handicapped person. If you see examination fee details, registration charges of ₹600 for candidates belonging to unreserved candidates, OBC and EWS candidates, and intimation charges of 200 for candidates belonging to SC/ST category for each post. The candidate so you have to pay the application fee through online mode only. And if you see the selection procedure will be done through examination which is conducted in online, and objective type for the post codes 1 and 1 2 3. So post code 1 2 3 means welfare officer, supervisor ink factory, supervisor information technology. So we have an online base test which will consist of professional knowledge, number of questions 40, marks 80, duration is 120 total, general awareness 40 questions 40 marks, in general English or English language 40 questions 40 marks, local reasoning 40 questions 40 marks, quantitative aptitude 40 questions 40 marks. And for the post code 4 and 10, 4 means junior office assistant, and here it is also junior office assistant only. So for them, the post of junior office assistant consisting of typing skill test on computer and online test. So there is a typing test and also online test. So typing skill test will be of 10 minutes only. To qualify in typing skill test, candidates have to score typing speed on computer in English at 40 words per minute, or Hindi is 30 words per minute. Candidates can attempt the typing skill test either in Hindi or English language as opted by the candidates. Means you can choose any language for typing test. Only those candidates who qualify in computer based typing skill test will be called for online test. So typing skill test is only qualifying nature, and after qualifying in typing test, you will have who are applying for junior office assistant, those persons will have online test also. So for this, these are the syllabus and questions, and also for the post code 5 to 8. 5 to 8 means junior technician ink factory, junior technician printing, junior technician electrical and IT, junior technician mechanical and AC. So those persons will have a online test. Once again, these are the different parts in that online test. General awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks. Total duration of this online test is 120 minutes. General awareness, English language, 40 questions, 40 marks. Logical reasoning, 40 questions, 40 marks. Quantitative, 40 questions, 40 marks. And for the post code, 9. 9 means secretarial assistant. So that is secretarial assistant consists of stenography test, typing skill test on computer and online test. The candidates will be given one dictation for 10 minutes in English or Hindi. At the speed of 80 words per minute, the matter will have to be uh, transcribed on computer with the typing speed of 40 words per minute. Only those candidates who qualify the stenography test and typing test will be called for online test. Both stenography test and typing test will be of qualifying nature only. And also online test is once again different parts of this online test consist of general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, same 40 questions, 40 marks like this. And here there will be no interview for the selection of above post, and the selection will be on merit basis. And here there is no negative marking, and the typing skill test and online examination will be conducted in the following centers. So these are the centers given. Download of call letters. So applicants who have registered online will be allowed to download online call letter for the typing skill test and online examination on the basis of the information furnished in the online application. No detailed scrutiny of application. So some information is given, and I have to visit this website for downloading of hall ticket. And for the application you have to visit the website. So I will give this link in the description, and you have to apply online, and you have to register first of all, and you have to give the details, and you have to scan your documents, and you have to upload, and you have to pay the fees online mode only. And these are some of the points given for the scanning and uploading of documents. So I will give, I told I will give this notification link, so you can download the notification, you can read. So these are some of the other guidelines you can read out. So before applying, so carefully read all these points. I covered a maximum of important points. Yes, there is a one more important point. The candidates applying for the post code 123. So post code 123 means welfare officer supervisor, that is in factory supervisor information technology. So the candidates applying for those posts, if they are selected at the time of joining, they have to execute a bond of rupees 2 lakhs to service in the company for a minimum period of 3 years. Such candidates shall have to provide 2 sureties. So this is point to be noted. And so other points just read out. So don't forget to subscribe and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.